Based on the information you find, you can develop an action plan. If, for example, you have little to no websites linking to you, you'll want to start creating a list of websites you may be able to get a link from. You can build your links by submitting your website to other websites, guest blogging, or even reaching out to the website owner and asking for them to link to your page. Next, take a look at the anchor text. If all the websites linked to you are using the keywords you are trying to rank for, you'll want to change that urgently and use a variety of anchor text, including your full URL, the words "click here," or simply the title of your page or post. Many people make the mistake of going out and trying to build as many links as possible. You'll be better off getting fewer, high-quality links, so keep that in mind. Focus on building a high-quality website with high-quality content and doing the other things we discuss in this course.